Hello everyone, today I have a new watch to unboxing from Maserati model R8873642004. Maybe you may not know, Maserati is a luxury sport car brand from Italy and they produce a fine and elegant watch. This watch made from stainless steel and it has a silver color both strap and case. The most interesting about this watch is the watch case. It has a unique diamond-shaped design. Let's move to the watch detail. The case is 45 millimeters. The background of inside has a texture black color with silver indicator. This watch is a chronograph watch as it has a stopwatch function. You can find the watch on the internet for around €200. Thank you for watching and see you next video.